Welcome to another update from the Force 13, and we're having a look at Tropical Storm Yagi, or 18W. This is a live of the Tropical Storm up to earlier today. And as mentioned in our live broadcast this morning, the tropical scene sees another area of interest, and it's 97W. And looks like Vietnam is under another threat. However, latest on the tropical storm, Joint Typhoon Warning Center. And here's a Joint Typhoon Warning Center imagery, and it's located 21 decibels 0 degrees north, 133 decibels 7 degrees east, 325 degrees 6 knots. Maximum steady winds 35 to 45 knots. 462 nautical miles southeast of Kadena Air Force Base, tracking northwest at 6 knots over the last 6 hours. And wave height is 12 feet. Here's the first late cycle intensity guidance, and a couple of models, or one model is showing a possible Cat 1 or high range Cat 1 system. Late cycle track guidance. Now we have a look at the NOAA floaters. Wind shear, 24-hour shear tendency 850 millibar vorticity. The initial position is based with good confidence based on animated multispectral satellite imagery, which depicts an exposed low-level circulation center, deep convection sheared or sheared to the rest, and one cell forming very close to the low-level circulation. The initial intensity of 35 knots is based on a Volag estimate. Upper level analysis reveals a marginal environment with moderate to strong vertical wind shear offset by good outflow. 18W is tracking north-northwest along the southern periphery of a subtropical ridge to the northeast, and will continue tracking north-northwest to northwest over the next 72 hours as the steering ridge builds to the north. Between 36 and 48 hours, vertical wind shear is expected to go down, and although the outflow weakens, poleward outflow improves. This is expected, apology for that, to support 18W gradually intensifying through the remainder of the period. Dynamic model guidance is in full agreement on the forecast track due to differences in the strength and location of the steering ridge between the members. 850 millibar vorticity, you can see where Shan is, Yagi, and the one to the rest of the Vietnam coast. Total precipitation, it's the GFS model. This information is available on the Pivotal Weather website. Intensity is the scale at the bottom of the screen. The southernmost members bringing the cyclone over Okinawa, while the northmost members bring the cyclone over Sasebo. Joint typhoon warning center forecast track closely follows the model consensus, but based on the high uncertainty in the guidance, there is no confidence in the forecast track. Now we have a look at the various models on the system. HWRF. The slow intensification trend is expected to continue for this period, reaching 45 knots within 96 hours. Now here's the GFS model. And tropical tidbits, 1 or 2 tracks on Yagi. This is the GEFS. We will continue to bring updated information as soon as possible. And we still have the Hurricane Hector over there in the central pack and other systems over to the east. Total precipitable water for the global view. And the scales at the bottom of the screen. And the tropical northern hemisphere scene is a lot active to what I thought. Now, in our update this morning in my broadcast, I mentioned about the localized warnings in Japan. That information really hasn't changed. And finally, a look at the Japanese Meteorological Agency radar, and you can clearly see the rainfall and where the activity of the typhoon is.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype, or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.